Hey guys, it's Teresa and welcome back to another episode of It's Just Another Shilling, where I teach you guys how to cook the delicious foods that we enjoy eating on a regular basis. Today I made something fun for my kids. I did pancakes and waffles. I know, it's a lot, or it seems like a lot. I found this recipe a long time ago in a cookbook from church. Church recipes are some of the best recipes I know. It's from a very, very good family friend, Mr. Baumel J. And he honestly is the reason that I started eating pancakes again. Now, those of you that know me know that I hated pancakes for a long time. I saw this recipe, I figured I needed to try it, went ahead and took a chance, and they're delicious. Problem is, I like waffles better. So I figured out how to remake this recipe so that I can make it for both pancakes and waffles, and guys, it's a favorite in our house. The best part about these is that you can take them, make a huge batch, and then freeze them, and then when you're ready to eat them later on, you can throw them in the toaster. They come out so good. Both the pancakes and the waffles, so we can have fresh pancakes and waffles anytime. So let's make some. So here you see I have my milk, my bananas, some chocolate chips, vinegar, vegetable oil, salt, baking soda, baking powder, eggs, flour, and then a little bit extra flour just in case I need it. So here I have my 3 cups of milk. I'm going to pour in my 3 tablespoons of vinegar and get those mixed up a little bit. I want that vinegar to cause a reaction in the milk and make it curdle just a little bit so that I can get the better flavor in my pancakes. Next, I'm going to add my 3 cups of flour to a bigger bowl. I have a little helper here. This is Alfie. He is fantastic when helping me in the kitchen, except he likes to do a lot of things all by himself, and usually that results in a big mess. You'll see. So after I add in my flour, I'm going to get the baking soda, the baking powder, and the salt in, and get this all a really good mix. So here you see me teaching my Maggie how to crack eggs. It's really hard to sit by and let me watch her do this kind of thing because I know there's going to be shells in there. But she actually did a really good job. We had no surprises, no shells in our pancakes. So she did exactly what I wanted her to do. Once your eggs are in the milk, you're going to want to mix it up really, really good. Get all those yolks broken down. Add in your 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and stir it a little bit more. And then here what I did is I just let her mix for a minute just so that she could have some practice on mixing. I think she did a pretty good job. So next we're going to add all the wet into the dry. I got my 3 mashed bananas here, all of my buttermilk egg mixture, and we're just going to give that a little bit of a whisk. You're going to see bubbles start to foam. That's a reaction from the vinegar and the baking soda, and it's not a bad thing. It's not going to overflow. It's actually exactly what you want. So I just want to point out that right here I'm mixing it only until all the dry is gone. You don't want to overmix this. You want the little lumps in there. It's just going to make a better quality pancake. So confessions of a vlogger. This is a different day.
My batter didn't come out very well the first time because I forgot the baking soda and the baking powder and the salt. So I went ahead and remade my pancakes another day. It's okay because I have them ready for the freezer now. My kids can have them anytime they want. But I just didn't like how flat they were, and without the salt they were pretty tasteless. Here you see me with my quarter scoop measure, and I'm putting about a half of a measure on the griddle for each one. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the chocolate chips in, and then I'm going to wait. You want to wait until you can see 100 tiny bubbles. Once you see those, that's when you're going to want to get ready to flip them over. So this is my waffle iron. Again, I'm using my quarter cup scoop. It fits just under a cup of batter in total. So I'm going to go ahead and fill each slot and then close it down and then go back to my pancakes, which are just about ready to flip over. They got their little bubbles. I couldn't get it in focus so that you could see them, but they're going to be the perfect color and be ready to flip here in a second. So here I'm at the end of my batter. I'm going to make 3 husband-sized pancakes, add the chocolate chips to them, and wait until I get those 100 tiny bubbles to flip them over. If you watch in the background, I went ahead and pulled the waffles off of the iron. They're a nice rich golden brown, the same color as the pancakes that I just flipped over. And you'll notice that the pancakes, they have a really nice, decent rise. You get this from letting them set and rest for a couple of minutes before you go ahead and put them on the griddle. So there you have it. These are my pancakes and my waffles. Tell me which one you like better.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. My kids really enjoyed it. They enjoyed their pancakes and waffles so much. Tell me what you think. What do you think of me putting myself in the beginning and the end of the vlog? Tell me what you think. What do you want me to make later? Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share this video. Go.
Hello, my name is Maggie and I like pancakes and waffles.